Welcome. The Archibus Space Console is a one-stop shop utility that is designed to consolidate space management activities, thus optimize your ability to better understand workplace metrics like allocations. With the Space Console, you can quickly generate multiple data exportable reports of vital space metrics, both in a grid or highlighted plan format. In the following demo, we will look at the Archibus Space Console and showcase its ability to produce multiple allocation reports. The Archibus Space Console provides easy access to the Archibus underlying space data. A mark of a successful database-supported application is its ability to process large amounts of data and produce quick queries via a robust search mechanism. The console search line is such a mechanism. It allows users to enter a wide range of queries, like a department name, in this case engineering, or space type, like office, and immediately display the results on a drop-down list. The advanced search function is an even more robust search mechanism that allows you to pinpoint the exact desirable space parameter. You can display a specific floor by location, room occupancy or room status parameters, and include employee attributes as well as search by room area and count. Once selected, the system restricts the console view to the detailed search results. Notice that the system restricted the console's display data to a specific building, in this case NCO5, or the TGD Technology Center, with its related 5 floors. The floors panel automatically present or display an array of fields, including the floor name, its area, and some metrics like occupancy versus capacity. Users can easily add more fields to display, immediately creating a powerful and exportable building by floor allocation report. To export the report to Excel or MC Doc, you simply select the desired format, in this case Excel, and the file is generated and downloaded to your machine. You can also produce a complete organization or space type allocation report by building and/or floor. To display organization data like division and department, simply click on the Space Mode tab in the Mode selection bar. You can add data fields to update the grid and, as before, quickly produce an Excel format report in literally a click of a button. The Org Allocation Report presents accurate granular information about how much space in square feet, square meters, or in percentage is assigned to each organizational unit, and how many rooms it occupies in the building or floor. The Archibus Space Console can also produce detailed highlight allocation and occupancy reports based on accurate CAD background floor plans. Once the floor plan is published into Archibus from AutoCAD or Revit, you can set your desired printable or viewable graphics by turning on or off graphic layers that originated in the CAD utilities. You can then overlay the background floor plan with the desired Archibus data highlighted with your selected colors. In this demo sequence, we see department allocation by color with department labels. You can visually see the exact floor plan area that is allocated to each organizational unit by simply clicking on the organization name in the grid panel. In this case, we are toggling between available departments, but this behavior is the same for all highlighted allocation like space types, room standards, teams, and occupancy. Once you formatted the data you wish to report on, you can easily generate and export the graphics as a highlighted report to MC Doc or PDF. The generated report is accompanied by a configurable title block for your convenience.